Hey everybody, Jason Wehrli with Wehrli Custom Fab. Today we're going to show you our 5.9 Cummins replacement intercooler pipe kit. So here I have in front of me our 2003 to 2007 5.9 Cummins replacement intercooler pipe kit. We'll start at the turbocharger and work our way to the intake manifold. Our hot side intercooler pipe replaces the OEM steel unit. Both of the OEM boots are common failure points on trucks with performance tuning or used in racing or extreme towing applications. We replace both items with high-quality silicone boots and stainless clamps. The intercooler pipe is compatible with any OEM or OEM style drop-in turbocharger. Now working through the intercooler to the cold side pipe, the OEM cold side pipe is constructed of plastic. They're not uncommon to see them blow apart, especially in racing applications. Same as the hot side, both of the factory boots are a very thin wall boot that are also notorious for failing. We replace the plastic pipe with a heavy duty 14 gauge aluminum pipe, and both silicone boots are high quality as well, same as the driver's side. The driver's side pipe is compatible with any OEM or OEM style replacement intake horn. As I mentioned earlier, this is a replacement intercooler pipe kit, which means no tuning required. These are compatible on a stock truck. They're a great upgrade or replacement for your failed or wore out factory components. They're a very simple install for an average mechanic with basic hand tools. Like all WCFab product, it's powder coated here in-house. These components in front of me done in our WCFab gray, but we've got over 75 different colors for you to choose from to customize the underhood look on your truck. So that wraps up our 03 to 07 5.9 Cummins replacement intercooler pipe kit. If you've got any questions, feel free to comment below or contact us at the shop, send us an email. Be sure to subscribe to our newsletter and our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm Jason Wehrli.